Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging, and this time it means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Alright, let's see what is in here. It's quite a thick bag. Well, that's attractive. Is this something new? Okay. Never saw those. I don't think I ordered them. But, yay. Alright. So this is a beaded cross stitch. Let me see if I can bring you over just a bit more. There you go. And it is a 9-tail fox, and it is 55 by 76, and it was $92.81, and I'm not sure how many beads colors there are. And then we have this. Before I get started, this comes from NewCraftDay, and if they have any specials, or if they have any discount codes, or if I have any, I will put them right in here and in the description box below. Sorry. So yeah, and like I said, it was $92.81, and I don't remember ordering these. I was looking to see how many there were here. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 20 in this total in this baggie. So, yeah, but I don't quite use these. You know, I use the beaded mats. Yeah, so I have to go looking for them. Let's find out what's inside this kit. It got kind of crunched here, but I don't think... It got crunched, but the bag wasn't ripped or anything. So, we have 3 needles taped here, and 2 things of thread. And let's see what else is in here. Oh my goodness. Good gravy. We got a bag of beads. And that, oops, wait, there's one more thing. No, maybe not. Oh, no, that's just part of that. And, oh man, are you kidding me? I will have to let them know because they did not send a printed pattern of this. It's irritating. Just totally irritating. So let's take a look at let me look first. Oh my gosh, I have to do this backwards. Okay, there's 32 different colored beads. So we'll look at them first. See if I can get everybody out. Doesn't look like we have any stragglers this time. That last kit I opened, it had one that got open, but I never did find it, so I have no idea. Give me a hot moment, and I will let you know these are all here. Okay, they are all here, and I will show them to you one at a time. We have a lovely kind of a medium rose color. Looks like 310 black. We have some beautiful jelly bean purple. Kind of a, I don't know, pewter color, if you will. We have some gold and some more peacock blue. Kind of a dark, looks like a reddish purple. Pink, orange and green, pale yellow, gold, kind of an, this gold is almost 2 shades off of that orange there. But beautiful, beautiful colors here. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. And some beautiful reddish color. I hate these packets though. They can get rid of them any day, because they're a pain in the neck. Beautiful red. More like an antique gold on that. Peacock purple. Woo! And dark blue. Look at that green. Ugh. And some, like, a crew off-white. Peacock type green. Some more peacock colors. Too bad it's not a peacock, right? Kind of a coral color. Just absolutely stunning, stunning colors. Ooh, look at that turquoise. Oh my goodness. And we got 4 more over here. Got some more off-white. The other one was more yellow. Oh, here it is. It's kind of got an orange look to it. The other one. And then this one's more of a cream color. Some beautiful green. Some purple. And another shade of blue. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get these back where they need to be, and we'll look at the canvas. All right, let's see what the canvas looks like. It's fairly big, very nicely printed. Got a little edge thing going here. Not bad. I don't think it's going anywhere. Nice big key. Very nice. Nice, big, easy to see symbols. And the canvas is very clear. I don't think I'm going to be able to measure this if I turn it around. So we're just going to measure it from this side. Oh, make it right here. Nice big margins though. It is 87.5 centimeters, or almost 33.25 inches, and the actual up and down is almost 76 centimeters, or almost, a little over 29.75 inches. So we'll see what the other way, if I can measure it at all on this, but we're doing the thing. Get that out of the freeway. But very nice material. Oh my gosh. Hang on, guys. I'm getting there. Holy cow. Huge. There's some big... Sorry about that. There are some very big areas to stitch in or put your beads in. So, not a whole lot. I mean, confetti's just kind of sprinkled here, there, and everywhere. Just gorgeous. Let me see if I can measure it this way. And this way it is 62 centimeters, or almost 24.25. And the actual size is 55 centimeters, or 21.75 inches. So, nice, big canvas. I think I'm going to start in a corner, because, yeah, I think that's going to be how that goes. And the fox, he's down here. There are his ears, and then his diamond-sized face. And then he's got all those colors spread out. It's just going to be so gorgeous. Just absolutely stunning. And nice. I can't get over how nice this feels. It's nice and smooth. Just beautiful. Just absolutely a beautiful canvas. But there's a lot to it. A lot. Let me see see if I can get that folded. Fold it again. And then maybe get it out of my... I'm sorry, I know. Left, right, or indifferent. Hello. Oop, let's not lose those 2 needles. So, yeah. I am excited to start that one. And we're going to start that in part 2 of my review for NewCraftDay. Hang on, just a second. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to start that today at 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA. And I'm not sure where we're going to start. I'm kind of thinking up in that corner would be about the safest to do. And NewCraftDay has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by numbers. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they also have, of course, beaded cross stitch and silk cross stitch. So they always have great prices, great selection. So do check them out. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.